Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain you about 7 amazing gadgets that make your life happy and easier, so let's start with this amazing video. Number 1. Hinyx MagFlex 2-in-1 Foldable Magnetic Wireless Charger Stand. Carrying several electronic devices when traveling becomes increasingly challenging because the majority of magnetic wireless chargers now on the market are either too big or not flexible enough. In order to make it easier and more convenient to carry the magnetic wireless charger, we developed a new compact with a flexible design. It's easy to bring a high-speed wireless charger with you on a trip or to the office. The charger may be magnetically fastened to the smartphone, giving you free hands to perform other duties while the device is securely fastened. There are magnetic, smaller, and non-magnetic charging zones, bigger, all Qi device types, including wireless earphones, iPhones, and Android smartphones, support the Qi protocol. For iPhone models in the MagSafe series, there is a magnetic charging space. This is an excellent product for you. There is a purchase link in the description. Coming to number 2. Dorso, a massage gun's best friend. The Dorso mount allows you to mount your massage gun to either our Dorso cane or your favorite massage cane, enabling you to finally reach your full back. It's possible to access the muscles you need to do so without using them. Please consider helping us with this. This Christmas season, give the gift of massage therapy and help us eliminate back pain one person at a time. To feel better, locate Dorso. Hunter Ford, DC, the other co-founder, had an idea when co-founder and chiropractor Rob Ferrer was having treatment. Rob mentioned that he had a massage gun of his own and asked how he might use it while Dr. Ford was massaging his back. Coming to number 3. Divoom Pixoo-Max Gun, the multi-purpose DIY pixel art LED display. Pixoo-Max can be used to express gratitude to the driver who just let you in or to request that a tailgater cease. If you choose to use the voice command option, keep your eyes on the road at all times. Just tell Siri to show the desired logo. Put your favorite superheroes on the Pixoo-Max to provide classic 8-bit visuals to your gaming den or man cave. It can also be used as a seasonal decoration, where its animation will light up the Christmas spirit. Use Pixoo-Max to greet customers or use the eye-catching design to spruce up your store. It boosts foot traffic within the store by drawing in more customers. Visual perception Pixoo-Max is incredibly adaptable and may be used in many different contexts. Let's find out your favorite use for it. Coming to number 4. Ecomo, the world's first bottle that tests and filters water. In addition to reducing the usage of plastic bottles, Ecomo bottle believes that everyone should have access to clean water. Customers may help protect the environment and the general public's health by adding to our water quality data map. Ecomo bottle saves roughly 228 disposable water bottles over the course of 3 months. To check for contaminants, shake your water. The bottle's 3-in-1 filtration technique may be able to remove the majority of heavy metals, bacteria, petrochemical compounds, and other serious pollutants. A wearable activity monitor that determines how much water you need, keeps track of how much you consume, and alerts you when the water is dangerous to drink. The Ecomo 3-in-1 filtering system, which also incorporates a filter replacement notification feature, removes the majority of critical pollutants. Coming to number 5. Triple Action Pump. We think the standard hand pump is great for pressurizing but terrible for moving a lot of air. We redesign it as a result for the optimum airflow. While the kite or board is self-inflating, you have time to walk the lines, stretch correctly, or sip on a refreshing beverage. With the remaining labor, the kite is manually inflated. We created a rechargeable electric fan that only pushes the required amount of air to give a kite its shape and fill its volume. This is already halfway done. Thanks to the air filter in the fan assembly, sand won't enter your kite, board, or water toy. Coming to number 6. Sabre Safe Escape 3-in-1 Pepper Gel. Use the Sabre Safe Escape 3-in-1 Pepper Gel for a safer commute. With the aid of this pepper gel, you will be able to safely exit your car in an emergency situation and defend yourself from harm. When attempting to exit an automobile after an accident, seat belts may be a challenge. You can free yourself from a seatbelt in an emergency by using the built-in belt cutter. If the doors to your car are stuck or the electric windows won't work, the window breaking tool might come in handy. This device can be placed far from you so that you can protect yourself from prospective assailants. To assist law enforcement in locating an attacker after they have been sprayed, it contains UV tagging dye. In high-stress situations, the flip-top design enables fast pepper gel dispersion. Coming to number 7. Astand, the ultimate lap desk, case tray, stand. For you to be able to work comfortably whenever and wherever you prefer, we offer 20 various viewing options. It is designed expressly to let you interact with your electronics in a distinct setting for maximum performance. It is perfect for working from home, traveling, and going to work. It is designed expressly to let you interact with your devices in the most effective and best way possible by establishing a distinctive, individualized working environment. Our solid, thin aluminum crossbars serve as the foundation of Astand's durability and the virtual spine of the gadget. Because bamboo and ABS plastic are naturally strong materials, Astand's design is more robust as a result. So this is all about this video. If you like any product from this video and want to buy product, then the product buy link is in description, and hit the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.